By now you must be sick of those chain gang pizzas you've been ordering or having delivered. Oh man, make yourself a real pizza. We call ours the Outlaw Pizza. You load on whatever you got. Now here we've got some pizza dough. It's already cooked slightly for this, right? And you can also pick up these doughs already pre-made at your local store, where you can get the dough in a ball and make it your own, or make your own pizza dough. It's up to you. So on that we have a little bit of sauce. We got some shredded mozzarella cheese. We got those nice little red onions. We have some burger on there, like little cheeseburgers. And here we have some jalapeno poppers. Why not? We had some in the fridge, so load it on. Now here we've got some chicken. Got some nice chicken breast. Why not? Chicken is good. Tastes real good. And oh no, we've got some of those cocktail wieners or sausages or little smokies, whatever they call them. Throw them on there. Okay, basically whatever you got. Now here we've got some Italian sausage, right? It's got a little red pepper flake in it, right? The Italian hot sausage. So we'll load that on, and that's slightly seared. We had it. We'll load it on. Told you this would be an outlaw pizza. And here we've got some ribeye beef, right? This is raw, super tender, loaded on. Now that's some good eating when you're getting some ribeye on your pizza, right? Yeah. Of course, good enough to eat already, as most of you know, right? Good ribeye, you don't even have to cook it. Now we have some, pulled pork. Why are we putting pulled pork? Because we had a bunch of it left over. When we make our pulled pork here at the pit, we'll do 2 or 3. So we have plenty of leftover, even sometimes we can freeze it. So on goes the pulled pork. Yeah, pulled pork pizza. It's some good eating, Martha. Now, here we've got some brisket. Same thing at the pit. You don't cook one brisket, you cook up several. So you got plenty left over, right? Makes a lot of sense now, especially if you got an 8-hour brisket going on. All right, look at that. Now, here we've got some more chicken. Keep loading it on. That's a marinated chicken. Plenty of flavor. Now, some more sausage. These here are some brats, right? And they've already been cooked slightly. The brats, they were raw brats when we started. We'll give them a good start. Now, gotta throw some cheese, right? What's a pizza without a whole lot of cheese? So here we have some cheddar cheese. As you can see, use your favorite cheese. You can use more chunks of mozzarella, all right? That's up to you. Use your favorite melting cheese. Here we've got some cheddar. Why not? Because we're putting these cheddar right on these burgers. So we got some cheddar cheeseburgers sitting on there. Oh, it's endless. It's endless. Oh man. Are you getting hungry or what? So your choices are endless on a good outlaw pizza. Now here we've got some raw bacon going on. That's a smoked bacon, right? We're just going to pile it on. It'll cook quickly in our pizza oven. Yeah. Going to add more fat to this dish. Yeah. How big are you going to get? By Blue House with the rent-a-own horns. Just endless. Never enough bacon, right? Oh yeah. Now, got it in a pizza oven here. Simple enough. You can use your favorite oven in the house or at the pit. Take a look at that. Yeah. No chain gang pizza here. This is the real deal and good value and probably costs no more than your typical takeout pizza or whatever they call it. Look at that. Just sizzling away. Now here's the best part. I'd say it's time to eat. Listen to that. And you see those juices flying? Well, you got yourself one juicy pizza here. Gotta stay with this. I'm speechless. So is your delivery pizza showing up yet? They want a lot of money for a piece of bread, some sauce, and some cheese on it, right? So this is the part where the pitmasters are eating in front of you and they're not apologizing. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.